I'm Andy Walsh, I'm Sales Director at Daltons. Daher Aerospace represents the absolute pinnacle of engineering precision. In an industry where precision matters, compromise is not an option. The tools you rely on define the limits of what you can achieve. To maintain the position at the forefront of aerospace manufacturing, Daher needed an upgrade that could match the relentless pursuit of efficiency and accuracy, and that's where we came in. Before a single piece of machinery leaves our door at Daltons, it undergoes an uncompromising, comprehensive quality control check. Every component is inspected, verified and signed off. Only when we are 100% satisfied do we prepare it for dispatch. Delivery day is a highly coordinated operation. Moving this Kimla CNC router requires expert logistics and careful handling. Seeing the Kimla CNC router arrive at its new home is where the transformation truly begins. We have a great team of specialist CNC engineers. Let's hear from Jake now.
Hi, I'm Jake, and today we're installing this Kimla BPF 213. One of the challenges of getting these machines into the buildings is obviously access, but today we've had really good access, and we've got the lorry right next to the machine. One of the challenges is picking up the gantry as well, and getting that fitted to the machine, fitted to both the bearings each side. It's a lot easier on these linear drive machines, but we've got a team of 4 with us today. We've got the truck driver and a couple more engineers, which are making the job a lot easier for myself and the other Daltons engineers.
That old machine was a workhorse for over 2 decades. But to step into the future of aerospace manufacturing, a generational leap was required. Out with the old and in with the cutting edge.
As you can see behind me, this is a machine which we are taking out the unit for the customer. This is what they've part X'd for the Kimla BPF. The only reason they're getting rid of it, they've had it for 20 years, it's done them really well, but they just wanted something more modern, something more easy to get parts and just better for the job.
An elite CNC router is only as good as a team operating it. Once the Kimla CNC router was fully installed, our engineer Josh stepped in to conduct comprehensive hands-on training. We wanted to ensure that the Daher team knew exactly how to unlock the raw speed, efficiency and capability of their new system.
Yeah, I'm Josh from Daltons. We're here in Daher doing some training today, finishing off an install on a Kimla BPF. So we've got 4 people from Daher. We're going to go through the process of operating, startup procedure, maintenance, tooling, everything that's included. It's a full package, so when I leave here today they'll be able to operate this machine, cut in their normal materials, which is like foam, plywood and a bit of plastics. So it's not like it's done and training and done and signed off. It'll be, if they need support, whether it come to cutting or anything wrong with the machine itself, we'll be on the phone. We're only around the corner, so support is a massive thing when it comes to these machines. With the Kimla you get repeatability, quality of cut. It's nice and simple for operators to get to use and get to understand. It has a lot more features, so on this it's got a nesting software, so they'll be able to nest their programs locally, save much more time and material, so the waste will be down, they can be more competitive on pricing. The benefits are endless really. This machine has X and Y linear motors, so what it is there's no rack and pinion, no motor there, it is all magnets on the X and Y axis, then uses a Renishaw scale for its positioning and tolerancing, so that scale comes with a 9 decimal place accuracy, and the machine is able to achieve a 0.3 decimal place accuracy over every metre. So with this we've got really super tight tolerances that they can achieve on the machine.
With the project now complete, Daher Aerospace is equipped with the ultimate tool for precision manufacturing. At Daltons, we don't just deliver machinery, we deliver the future of production.